properties. Let's understand angles and their properties in different shapes. Like you can see in this lab equipment. Let's look at this. The first shape here is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? All the four vertices of a quadrilateral touches the circumference of the circle. Such a quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Now you can see here all the four vertices are touching the circumference of this circle. Now look at the angles here. So when you take all the angles and when you place it like this, you get 360 degrees. The sum of all these four angles is equal to 360. Now let's consider opposite angles. Okay, so the sum of all these four angles is equal to 360 and the sum of opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Now let's look at this quadrilateral here. Again, even in a normal quadrilateral, we see that the sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degrees. So you can place these angles like this in the center. You can take it, place it by yourself, and then you will see that you'll get a circle which is 360 degrees. Now let's look at this shape here. This is a triangle which has three sides, right? So in a triangle, the sum of all these angles, again remove them. It's magnetic, so it's very easy to use. So remove them and keep it like this. So what you get is a straight line. So sum of all these three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's look at this shape. This is a pentagon. It has five sides. The sum of all these angles together will give us 540 degrees. Another easy way to understand is in a pentagon, you can form three triangles. Okay, you can form three triangles, one like this, and one like this. Okay, so we have already learned that in a triangle, the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. So if three triangles can be formed in a pentagon, it's going to be 180 into 3, which is 540 degrees. So in a pentagon, the sum of all these angles is equal to 540 degrees. So this way, using this lab equipment, you can understand the angles and its properties in different shapes.